Not a such thing as being slow, or that's the case, everybody's slow. We all just learning. Okay, so the thing is, we're working on day 43, and that's why I say y'all get y'all workbooks, because we're gonna start this October 17th. Okay, we're gonna do this together. We're gonna do it's 75 days total. We're gonna do it. We're gonna bring this into the new year. Okay, so you said your due date is on the 27th, and your statement date is on the 2nd. So by your due date on the 27th, you want to make sure that you pay your statement balance. You see your statement's going to close on the 2nd. That's what's going to be due next month. So on the 27th, whatever you had due last month that you didn't pay, whatever was left, that's what you technically paying now. So you want to figure out what is your statement. And I'm trying to record and write, y'all. Please forgive me. So you want to figure out what your statement balance is, and that's what you want to pay by the 27th. Now, some people may get paid on the 28th, the 29th, and that's still before your statement close. Your statement closing on the 2nd. So I tell people, hey, if you got extra money on the 28th or 29th, go ahead and pay that extra. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So your total balance, well, your total limit is 1,000, right? We're going to do a limit there. Hopefully you can understand it. Your limit is 1,000. Right now, your total balance on your account is 400, okay? It's going to be 400, right? Your statement balance is only $200, okay? So this your balance. Your statement balance is going to be 200, okay? So total you owe altogether is 400. But your statement balance is 200. You're going to make sure you pay that by the 27th. So you're going to pay that 200 by the 27th, right? And that means that your total balance after that is going to be $200. So when this report to the credit bureau, it's going to show that you have a $200 balance out of 1,000. And I told y'all, we want to have this to be this right here. We want to have this at 10% or less when we talked about utilization. If you didn't see that, we're going to go over it later on. Don't worry about it. So right now, your utilization is at 20%. I want people to have this at 10% or less. So to figure out what you need to have it at total, here is your total limit. We want to have this at 5% or less. We just take this last digit off. Let me just cover it up now, which is going to be 100. That's going to be 10%. So that's going to be a utilization. We want to have it at 5% or less. So we just going to cut this 100 in half, which is going to be 50. So technically, you got $200 balance minus 50, which is going to be 150 left. I want you to make sure this is paid. That way you'll have a $50 balance reporting. Now, if you missing this, don't worry. I'm just trying to record this video for you, just so you can kind of understand it. But we're going to go over it. Just make sure y'all get y'all workbooks. It's in the TikTok shop. We start on October 17th. They are selling out fast, y'all. It's a lot of people that's going to be doing it October 17th. I'm literally following along with y'all every single day to do like the different things that's in this book. Every day is something different. So you got to get all of these topics. Everything is not going to be for everybody. But one of the biggest things that I do want to talk to y'all is about suing the credit bureaus, because this is my specialty. This is why I'm going to law school, and this is what I actually did with suing the credit bureaus, suing collection companies and things like that. So I'm going to show y'all how to actually set it all up so that y'all can go ahead and sue. A lot of people are getting money from these companies, getting things deleted from these companies, all based off of just suing them. And I'm going to show y'all how to set that up. But everything is going to start on the 17th of October. Make sure y'all get y'all workbooks.